Guys,
Back from our commercial.
back from our commercial.
Back to cooking.
Back to cooking.
Yay.
Okay, so right now, okay, what do you want to eat?
I want some bacon with some lettuce and tomato.
Bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
Oh, and some eggs.
Bacon, lettuce, and tomato. First, lettuce. Put your food right here.
Okay.
Alright, so you want salad?
Okay. I got you mix it together. Take it out. Take it out like this. Just take it apart like this. Okay.
Oh, that falls off.
Okay.
Now some salad. Salad. Yummy. So yummy. Put it right here. Now we're gonna grill. What else you want?
Some steak and some lettuce. I mean, some bacon. I mean, not bacon, tomato.
Tomato. Okay, let's grill it, guys. Oh no, this one's dirty. I have one more.
You do? Oh, that sounds delicious. It smells so delicious. Mmm. That sounds great. You're a good cook. You singing?
Now you want bacon.
Yes. You're the singing chef.
Da, 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 da. Baby, I'm here to make this chicken. It's gonna really. Now what do you want?
Some eggs, please.
What else?
And a steak.
Okay. Don't touch my food. I'm gonna call the judge.
Okay, sorry.
And steak. Here you go.
Let me taste it.
Bob.
What you gotta tell me in the middle of the commercial? Say, give us 1 minute. Stay tuned for our next commercial.
Give us 1 minute. Stay tuned for that commercial.
Be right back. Say, be right back.
Be right back.
Pause. Oh,